Let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Akid. Well, I'm not alone. I have my special friends right here. Her name is Tito. Say hi to Tito, everyone. Hi. Alright, so kids, are you guys good? Yeah, I guess everybody want to come? Yes, alright. So before we start our activity, I want to ask Tito, first of all, what are we going to do? Alright everyone, you see what is Tito do? What? Dancing! Good job! So right now, I want all of you to stand up first. So semua orang bangun. Alright, music please. Okay everyone, follow teachers and Tito. Get ready. Alright, ready. Right and left. Roll and left. Come on, roll again. Double left. Okay, to your left. Next left. Roll. Left. Come on, up. Down. Okay, move. Jump. Ready. Right. Left. Right and left. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. One more time. You ready for the shake? And sit there. Get ready and jump. Come on, one more time. Front again. Left, left. Roll. Double left. To your left. Okay, up. Down. More. Jump. Left. Go right. Left. Right. Ready for the wiggle. Okay, everyone, clap your hands. Good job. Number right here. Everyone, you need to follow this number. Go there. Okay, so ready to go. Okay, 1, 2, 2. Get ready. Follow the teacher. Okay, come on, follow the teacher. To the left. Dance first. Okay, so right here, team blue. One volunteer please. One teacher. Okay, teacher's role. How about team red? Which one? Teacher number. Alright, everyone. So, team blue right here. Look at teacher's role. Teacher's role will do a demonstration on how to play Ting-Ting. And team red. Look at, you can look at teacher number right here. Teacher number will do a demonstration on how to play Ting-Ting or hopscotch. So teacher, are you guys ready? So everyone, kids, are you guys ready? Yes, good. Okay teacher, when I count 1, 2, 3, you can start again. Get ready teacher. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, start. Need to jump. Okay, jump first to square. Jump one leg, and when the ball is square, you need to jump on 2 legs. Okay, you can jump, jump, jump up. When you turn, you need to turn around and go back. So everyone, are you guys understand? Do you understand how to play this game? Oh, wow, wow. Alright, Tito. Are you ready for the match? Yeah, how about the teachers? Are you guys ready? How about the parents? Are you guys ready? Alright, good job. So kids, we're going to start the game this time. So, okay, so right now we're going to start the first round. So what of the team, are you guys ready? Yes, okay. Listen to me. In my magical word, you can start, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's mix it. Alright, go, go, go. Team blue and team red. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on, okay, turn around. And jump again. After you're done, you can sit down beside your friends. Okay, good job. How about team right? Come on, team ready. Down again. All right, next team. Come on, go team. Come on, you can do it. Red team, come on, Monster. Red team. Okay, jump. Oh, all right, good job. That's good. Good job, both of you. Okay, it's okay. So everyone, you can stand up first. Everyone stand up. Okay, one more. Come on. Alright, ready, team, okay. Alright, everyone, clap your hands for your team. Good job. Okay, wait. So everyone, you can stand up. Alright, so everyone can stand up, please. Alright, looks like. First of all, the teachers can count your kids. Teacher, how many kids in your team? 16, but team rate. How many kids in your team? 17, so looks like the team goes as... Okay, we can teach topic to go to the team room. Alright everyone, are you guys ready for the third round? But before that, the winner for the second round goes to Team Blue! Good job! So right now we have draw, and we're going to make the third round. Whoever wins this round can get our special prizes from us. Wow! Alright! So this is the last round. So everyone, wait. Jump. It's okay. Calm down, everyone. Calm down first, okay? Alright. So we're going to start the third round. Wait. Calm down first. So everyone, we're going to start. 2, 3, let's mix it! Alright, go! That's it! Steve is the winner! Okay, come on! Race it! Finish faster! All I'm gonna do is make it here! Come on! Good job. Okay, the blue team. Alright, so everyone in the blue team, when I say blue team, you guys say yeah! Okay, can we do that? Alright, come on, we try it. 1, 2, 3, blue team! Wow! Okay, this one, red team! Blue team! Okay, so I'm gonna announce which team is the winner. So before that, is it ready? Alright, so can you guess which team is the winner for today's game? Team green?
Me.
Or team blue? Teacher blue? Oh, okay. Calm down. I'm gonna announce the winner. You guys ready? Yes, okay. Is it? Alright, so everyone, listen carefully. The winner for the 10-10 game goes to... Team Red! Alright, good job, Team Red. It's okay, Team Blue. You guys can also get presents from us. So everyone